Dear clients, welcome. This is Xuan. Today, we will introduce how to calibrate our fusion supervisor GX1910A. Okay, first we should turn on the machine. This is the button, turn on the machine, and this is the button of a menu. We press it, and this is the menu, and we choose this one, maintenance, and here the button of enter, and then we choose clean the electrode. It will be by cleaning the key of enter, it will begin to clean automatically. Have a look. Okay, it is done. And if the electrode is a new one, a new pair of electrodes, we should stabilize the electrode. Yes. Okay, we just press this button, the same button, and this will be done automatically. Yes, have a look. Okay, it is done. We go back to the main menu, and this one, test. For the calibration, we have two solutions. One is automatic, and another one is manual. If we choose the first one, ARC calibration, it will be done automatically, and we select it. So please load the fiber. Okay, we prepare fiber. Okay, this fiber is loaded, and then we press this button. Okay, it is done. It is automatically. ARC calibration is finished. Okay, this is the solution of automatic. And we have another one, it is manual. We will introduce. If you select the solution of manual, let's go back to the menu. Yes, here, the test we enter. And there we can have a look, we can see there is an ARC test. And another one is overlap test. And first we should do an ARC test. Click this. And now we need to load the fiber. fiber is loaded, and we press the button of this. Okay, have a look at this. This is the result we want to test. The value is 11. This is a normal one. The normal range is between 8 to 12. So 11 is okay. If the value is, for example, is 7. 7 is beyond the normal value. It is a little smaller. We need to do some amendment. Have a look. Just go back to the main menu. This one. Back. And this one. We enter. We need to amend this fuse power. We need to get it large or get it small. So we need to get it small. Okay, it is done. We go back. And now we have to do another arc test to make the value between 8 and 12. So this is how to do an arc test and how to amend the fuse power. Okay, this is done. We will introduce how to test the overlap test. We enter, and now we need to load a new fiber. Okay, the fiber is loaded, and we press this button to begin. Okay, this is the value. This is 16. 16 is a normal. The normal value range is between 16 to 18. So 16 is okay. If we have to change it, if the value is, for example, is 20, it is beyond the normal value. We need to amend here. Have a look. Menu. This is the menu, and this. I enter, and have a look. Overlap. I need to get it small or get it large. And by click this, it is done. Okay. Okay, this is the solution on how to calibrate the fuel splicer. Dear clients, if you have any further question, please visit our website www.ejudgingoptical.com. Thank you.